Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay services are currently unavailable. Please try again later. So guys, if you are facing this problem on your Apple ID in your iPhone and you are unable to use Apple Pay services, here I will show you how can you fix it. So first of all, go back to your home screen and here I will give you some possible solutions that can help you to fix this problem. So the very first solution for this problem is that simply open settings and from here scroll it below, tap on general, tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of software in your device. So guys, after this go back and from here you have to open your Apple ID in the settings and from here tap on sign in and security and wait for some seconds here, and from here make sure that the two-factor authentication is turned on in your iPhone. So guys, simply turn it on if it is off and after this go back and from here you have to simply open your Apple ID again and scroll it below and sign out your Apple ID for one time in your device. So I simply sign out your Apple ID for one time and after this you have to force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that simply press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, force restart the device and after this log in your Apple ID again in your iPhone. So I log in your Apple ID again in your iPhone and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if the problem is still there, then go for the settings again and from here scroll it below and from here tap on general again and from here scroll it below and tap on language and region and from here you have to tap on region again and select your current country or region correctly from here. So I select your region or country correctly and after this go back and open your VPN and device management from here and make sure that there is no connected VPN in your device. So if there is any connected VPN, simply disconnect it and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem, then you have to remove your payment method for one time in your Apple ID and after this you will have to re-add your payment method to your Apple ID again. So open your Apple ID and from here you have to tap on payment and shipping and remove your payment method from here one time and after this add your payment method again and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if you still face the problem, then you have to contact Apple support team for further information and help. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.